Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am counting down our top picks for the best room divider screens. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1. FDW Room Divider 6-foot Wall Divider Wood. I are starting strong today with a widely celebrated model that you need to see. I am talking about the FDW Room Divider 6-foot Wall Divider Wood. The sleek aesthetic is perfectly matched by its heavy-duty architectural design, ensuring zero compromises. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. Its highly energy-efficient nature quietly saves you money in the long run, adding tremendous hidden value. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 7,629 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 2. Roundhill Furniture Black Japanese 4-panel Screen Room. Shifting our focus, here is an extraordinary alternative that brings massive value. I am talking about the Roundhill Furniture Black Japanese 4-panel Screen Room. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. Furthermore, regular maintenance is almost non-existent, saving you massive amounts of time and unnecessary energy. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. Backed by over 7,080 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 3. Sorbus 8-panel Black Room Divider with Double. For our next highlight, prepare to be amazed by this exceptionally well-built unit. I am talking about the Sorbus 8-panel Black Room Divider with Double. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 3,738 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 4. Roundhill Furniture Giyano 4-panel Screen Room. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the Roundhill Furniture Giyano 4-panel Screen Room. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. Backed by over 3,423 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.6 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 5. FDW Room Divider 4-Panel Room Screen. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the FDW Room Divider 4-Panel Room Screen. It boasts an incredibly rugged yet sophisticated exterior frame that is built to withstand massive amounts of pressure. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 2,675 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 5, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide useful. Make sure to check the links below for the best current prices. See you in the next one.